Hey friends, welcome back. I'm starting off with my brows and foundation done, then grabbing my Coty Airspun translucent face powder and lightly setting under my eyes and the sides of my nose. Then taking the super cute powder to set the zones of my face where I get really oily. And to avoid oily brows throughout the day, I set them too. And now I'm lightly setting the rest of my face with my MAC Studio Fix Foundation Compact. To start my eyes, I'm packing on a bright beige. This one is emphasized from MAC. To cut my crease, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Yellow Gel Liner from her Storm collection. I will warn you guys, this liner is very hard to work with unless you mix in a little bit of oil or a mixing medium to hydrate and thin it out. Those white dots and the line on my forehead is just white liner. Before I used my black liner, I mapped it out with this, which by the way, I recommend doing 100% before committing to any dark colors. When cutting your crease, cover most of your lid and look up to see if anything transfers. If so, you need to cut higher. So this right here is what I mentioned before. I'm mapping out where I want the black part of my clown makeup to be placed. Also, throughout this entire video, I'm constantly looking to my left, which is your right, because I was using an inspiration picture as reference. So this black is Maybelline's Eye Studio Gel Liner in Blackest Black. It works really good. And this little brush I got in a pack of like face paint brushes. And being that it's so thin and detailed, it really gets the job done well. Once everything is traced to your desired shape, just fill it in. I did the other eye off of camera, and you see here I'm touching up the yellow liner. I'm gonna do this a few times to prevent it from drying all the way up on me. So I'm setting the perimeters of where the black and yellow gel liner meet, just so they wouldn't mix together, and any black matte eyeshadow will do for this. Placing my first layer of color for my red dots with any crayon-like red lipstick or lip liner, and then I go over top with the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uncensored, which was perfect because the applicator is like circle shaped, so I literally just had to stamp it on. So this part was really fun because it was placed messily and freely. You could use any pop of color to achieve this stained, washed out effect. For the nose, I didn't want to do a traditional red circle on the tip, so I did like half a circle and then smaller half circles on the sides or nostrils. You're going to line your lower lashes with black and have it connect to the top, and then start tracing the smaller Joker-like lines with the pencil and go over top with the gel liner and thin brush. Yes, I have a shirt on. Now for the part that really pulls this entire look together, the body paint. I'm using the face paint palette I showed when I got my pink color for the lips. I'm using a foundation brush to apply this paint, and this was really good paint for the price that I paid on Amazon, and it's water-based, which is the way to go. It washes off so easy, and it just gets activated with water. So with the paint though, you just have to keep applying multiple coats because it's not going to be opaque on the first swipe. And I'm rounding out the end of the paint to give it that circus roof tent look. Hey, that's my almost done dance, and I was so happy seeing how this clown look was really turning out. And just like that, we're done. Go ahead and like this video if you enjoyed, and please subscribe. Also click the bell icon so you're notified when I first upload. If any of you decide to recreate, tag me so I can see, and check below for my social media and all the products used in this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you all in my next one.